So when someone clicks on your link, which we call an affiliate link, and they buy from that link, you get commission, right? Now, commission is usually 75% on most products. And when you do the math on that, guys, like if it's a $37 product times 75%, that's $27.75 goes in your pocket, right? Now, the best part is most of these products have upsells, which can boost your money to $60 all the way up to maybe even $140 per sale for every single sale. So you can see here, guys, how exciting this can get because you're literally multiplying how much money you make on one sale. For example, the offer I shared with you earlier here, Leptotalks, they basically you can make on average $68, but sometimes if they take all the upsells, that could be a $300 or $400 purchase, right? So that's why it gets very exciting. That's why it's so easy to scale up, right? And once again, as I mentioned before, you don't need to come up with your own product. You don't have to deal with customer service. You don't have to worry about inventory. You don't have to worry about writing emails or advertising copy, right? All you do is find a winning product and use this system, right? But it gets easier, right? Most top offers on Clickbank nowadays, they give you everything you need to be successful. And so most of these pages, they have what we call our affiliate resource page. Now on this page, they give you the targeting, right? They tell you who to target. They give you ad images, they give you landing pages, they give you copy, they give you basically everything you need to advertise. And the reason why is because these top offers on Clickbank have gotten really smart. And they realize that paid traffic is the way to go nowadays. No longer is it about email. So they want you to get sales, right, as an affiliate. And so they'll do everything they can. They'll give you every resource that you need to have success. And that's why right now is an amazing time to jump in on this and use this system, right? Now, I want to give you a pro tip. And there's 3 categories that you should focus on, right? And those 3 categories are health, wealth, and relationships. Now, the reason why we focus on those categories, and I recommend it, is because those are the biggest categories in the world, right? So health, losing weight, having more energy, sleeping better, all that stuff, right? That's under health. Wealth, making money, retiring early, Bitcoin, like that's all in that space. Relationships, getting your ex back, better sex, whatever it is, guys, that's in the relationship niche. Now, the reason why these are the most important ones is because these are all built into our DNA. Like it's kind of like, they call it Maslow's hierarchy of needs, right? Which is food, sex, and money. Everybody can relate to one of those 3 things or all those things. It's built into our DNA. It's almost like a primal type of instinct that we have, right? As humans. And so this is why it's really powerful because these are huge niches and we're able to take offers that convert and really scale them up because of it, right? So we never have a shortage of people that are interested in these things and these products, right? So that's what we want to focus on. Now let's go into top secret number 2, and that's how to use your Facebook account to run ads for other people's products on Clickbank for a big commission, right? So in order to promote these products, we need to run ads on Facebook. We just have to, right? We're not going to do free stuff, right? Because free doesn't really make you a ton of money, right? You have to put fuel on the fire, which is running ads, okay? So to do that, all you're going to do is go to business.facebook.com/create to get started and set up your business manager, which is an ad account that you would run on Facebook. Don't do it right now, but just go ahead and write down that URL, okay? business.facebook.com/create. So why Facebook? Well, it's simple, right? That's where people are. Right? That's where people are. And so as a matter of fact, 2.23 billion people log into Facebook every single month. Of those people, 1.1 billion users speak English, and Americans spend 58 minutes per day on Facebook, right? And that's actively. Like most people, chances are, even if you're on this workshop right now as we're doing this, you're logged into Facebook. So guess what? The more time you're on a platform logged in, the more the platform knows about you. They know about your behaviors, your buying patterns, your browser patterns, everything. They know everything about you, which is super sketchy and it's super scary, but it's also very beneficial for what we're doing here with this system. And you can see, guys, Facebook has 2 billion users, but they also own Instagram, they own WhatsApp, they own Facebook Messenger. So you can see that they have a ton of information and data. Now, the best part about this is because of all that data and information they have on people, they make it so easy to target the right people on Facebook as advertisers, right? Let me give you a perfect example. So let's say we have a weight loss program, say that Leptotalks offer, that Cinderella Solution offer, and we want to target people in the United States, and we want to target women, and let's just say we do 18 to 55 plus, those are probably the range people want to lose weight in, and we want to target people who are interested in weight loss. So you can literally do that in Facebook. You type in under the interest tab, weight loss. So people who have literally told Facebook, hey, I'm interested in losing weight and I want to lose weight, right? So when you do that, Facebook crunches the numbers.